Have you ever marveled at a flyover, an elevated highway that gracefully weaves through a busy city? These marvels of engineering not only help alleviate traffic congestion, but also serve as a lifeline for commuters. But have you ever stopped to wonder how these massive structures are brought to life high above the hustle and bustle of city streets? Well, today we're lifting the curtain on the intricate and fascinating process of modern flyover construction. From the initial planning stages to the final touches, we'll explore each step involved in creating these elevated roadways. Before the first steel beam is lifted into place, a team of engineers and surveyors get to work. Their mission: to create a plan that ensures the flyover not only fits seamlessly into the urban landscape, but also stands strong against heavy loads, seismic activity, and years of weathering. Using cutting-edge technology such as GPS LiDAR and advanced simulation software, they analyzed everything from traffic flow to soil conditions and topography. This meticulous groundwork lays the foundation for a structure that will stand the test of time. With the blueprint in hand, it's time to break ground. The construction crew, armed with heavy-duty machinery, begins the crucial task of foundation work. In many cases, the soil isn't strong enough to support such a massive structure, so they need to dig deep into the earth to create deep foundations. These are typically made of concrete or steel. These elements are then anchored into the bedrock using specialized drilling techniques or by driving steel piles into the ground. Once the piles are in place, a concrete mixture known as the pile cap is poured on top. This forms the base for the flyover's columns, which will support the structure's weight and distribute it down onto the piles. Now that the foundation is solid, it's time to build up. Vertical piers or columns rise from the foundation like the legs of a skyscraper. These columns, usually constructed from reinforced concrete, are poured using formwork and scaffolding. In some instances, prefabricated segments are craned into position. The use of precast concrete segments not only speeds up the construction process, but also reduces the need for on-site formwork and falsework. This results in a quicker and more cost-effective construction time. Each column is precisely positioned to ensure the entire structure remains stable and aligned. The next step involves installing the flyover's horizontal support beams, also known as girders or box beams. These massive girders span the distance between the columns and provide the necessary support for the deck, which is what vehicles will actually drive on. Installing these girders is no easy feat. Cranes or a beam launcher is used to lift the girders into position. This requires careful coordination and precision to ensure the beams are placed accurately and securely. Once the beams are in place, they are bolted or welded together to form a continuous structure. Now it's time to pour the deck. After the beams are in place, the construction crew works quickly to form and pour the bridge deck slabs. This concrete slab is what vehicles will travel on and must be strong enough to withstand heavy loads. Once poured, the concrete is allowed to cure, at which point the finishing touches to the deck can be added. This includes things such as expansion joints to allow for movement due to temperature changes and construction of the road surface. With the deck complete, it's time to add the finishing touches. Workers lay asphalt or other road surfacing materials, paint lane markings, install railings and barriers, and set up drainage and lighting systems. They also install signage to direct traffic and provide information. These final steps are crucial to ensure the safety and usability of the flyover. Finally, after rigorous testing and inspection to ensure its strength and stability, the flyover is opened to the public. Modern flyovers are often equipped with sensors and smart systems that monitor traffic flow and the structure's health, allowing for real-time adjustments and maintenance. Thanks to advances in technology and construction methods, building a flyover now takes just months instead of the years it once took. And there you have it. The next time you find yourself navigating the busy streets of a city, take a moment to appreciate the flyover that gracefully elevates traffic above the urban landscape. Remember the intricate planning, the precise construction, and the innovative techniques that go into making this marvel of engineering a reality? Flyovers are not just structures, they're lifelines that connect communities and keep cities moving. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.